Everyone thinks the best-selling vinyl cutting machine is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cricut Explore 4 Bundle. First up is the Cricut Explore 4 in seashell color. At around $297.96, this smart cutting machine caught my attention for its impressive engagement bundle. If you want to dive into crafting with endless possibilities, this is worth a serious look. The Print Then Cut feature allows you to design full-color projects, letting your creativity shine without needing design experience. Plus, with a rating of 4.6 stars from 467 reviews, it's clear users are satisfied. Now, some people complained about the learning curve with the Design Space software. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's easier than you thought, especially with the vast library of images and fonts available. This is perfect for you if you're looking to start crafting with a machine that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable, as it's a bit bulky, but for the value, it's definitely worth it. Now, if the price of the Explore 4 seemed a bit steep, the next option might suit your budget better. Product number 2, Cricut Joy Xtra Bundle. Next up is the Cricut Joy Xtra cutting machine, priced at $219.99. This compact machine came to my attention because it's designed for quick, everyday projects. If you need something simple and effective for labels and decals, this one is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Joy Xtra has an active surface area of 68.75 square inches and works with smart vinyl, allowing you to skip the cutting mat. This saves time and makes crafting more efficient, especially if you're a beginner. With a 4.5-star rating from 323 reviews, many users appreciate how easy it is to create personalized designs right out of the box. Now, some users mentioned its struggles with thicker materials. But honestly, it's not a deal-breaker if you're mainly focused on vinyl and lightweight projects. It's tailored for that. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly machine for basic crafting projects. Skip this if you're looking to work with heavy materials or need a large cutting area. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to expand their creativity. Product number 3, Cricut Maker 4 Starter Kit. Now let's talk about the Cricut Maker 4 Starter Kit, priced at $369.99. This machine grabbed my attention because it includes everything you need to start crafting immediately. If you want a machine that does it all, this is definitely worth checking out. The Maker 4 has an active surface area of 144 square inches, meaning you can handle larger projects effortlessly. It can cut over 300 materials from paper to leather, opening up endless crafting possibilities. With a 4.7-star rating from 299 reviews, users rave about its versatility and ease of use, which is perfect for first-timers. However, some users found it a bit overwhelming with all its features. I'll be real with you, it might take a little time to explore everything it can do, but once you do, you'll appreciate the range of options it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality machine that grows with your skills. Skip this if you're looking for something more straightforward for just basic vinyl cutting. It's a worthwhile investment for serious crafters. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, this next option might surprise you. Product number 4, Cricut Maker 4 Digital Content. The fourth machine is another Cricut Maker 4, but this one comes as a digital content bundle for $386.86. What caught my eye here is that it offers a wealth of digital assets alongside the machine. If you love having a vast library of resources at your fingertips, this is a great choice. Like the previous Maker 4, it also works with over 300 materials and features advanced capabilities such as drawing and scoring. The bonus content includes 30 premium images in Design Space, which is a nice touch for getting started. It holds a solid 4.5-star rating from 526 reviews, proving it's popular among users who enjoy customization. Now, some people mention the price is a bit high, especially if you're just starting. But here's the thing, the digital content really adds value if you're serious about crafting and want to hit the ground running. This is perfect for you if you want to dive into crafting with access to a huge array of designs. Skip this if you're just looking to dabble or if you're on a tighter budget. It's an investment, but you get a lot for your money. Finally, if you want to explore a unique approach to cutting machines, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 5. Brother Scan & Cut SDX85C. Last up is the Brother Scan & Cut SDX85C, priced at $294.44. This machine stood out because it has a built-in scanner, which is pretty unique for cutting machines. If you want to create custom designs directly from your sketches, this might be the machine for you. It also features 251 built-in patterns, so you can start crafting right away. It's rated 4.4 stars from 1,600 reviews, which shows a strong user base appreciating its features. However, some users found the scanning feature to be slower than expected. But honestly, if you're focused on intricate designs, this might be worth the wait as it gives you unparalleled flexibility. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile machine that combines cutting and scanning. Skip this if you need a machine strictly for fast vinyl projects. At this price, it offers a unique advantage that can really enhance your creativity. So to wrap it up, the Cricut Explore 4 is great for beginners looking to explore crafting. The Cricut Joy Xtra is ideal for quick and simple projects, while the Cricut Maker 4 kits offer extensive capabilities for serious crafters. The digital bundle adds even more value, and the Brother Scan & Cut brings unique scanning features into the mix. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your crafting needs best.